7 Secrets of an Internet and Social Media Millionaire. Hi, I'm Russ Jones, and I have some very important information to help you increase your business by 100% to 250% in the next 90 days. Number 1, website conversions mastery. Narrow down the conversations. What is your conversion goals? Be clear, and what do you want to accomplish? Want to increase your click-through rate by 100%? Stay to the end of this video and I will show you how the formula to traffic X conversion formula by 125%. The 100% profit formula. If you increase the number of customers by 30%, increase the average spend by 20%, increase the numbers of times people purchase by 30%, your sales will increase by over 100%. For example, you can improve your headline or video by 50% to 100%. Continue to text A and B text. Know your numbers. Remember, you can't improve something you can't measure. Millionaire internet gurus are obsessed with numbers. Number 2, mobile revolutions. About 70% to 80% use mobile phones to access websites. Build websites for mobile phones not on mobile. Test your sites and key pages on mobile. Track both mobile versus website for conversions. The real mobile revolution is your phone you have in your hand off and on all day long. For 75 years, it was the phone inbound calls. Number 3, the power of Google. Google is the number 1 best source for searching. If you run ads on Google Ads and get it right, it can increase your traffic and customers by 100% to 250% in just 90 days. If you do it right, a local business can be in the first, second, or third position on Google. B2B is also excellent. Google is the most important tool over artificial intelligence AI. Number 4, power of Instagram and Facebook. Your customers are living on social media. Instagram has a ton of users and Facebook has 3 million users. Best businesses are active on social media on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram has blown up the last few years. Number 5, online videos. The secret here is to pick out your best 2-3 keywords or long-term keywords and do 10 short videos on the subject and then post them on YouTube. Then if you have an autoresponders, make these videos on the first 10 days of autoresponder emails. I've seen my own YouTube videos in the 1, 2, or 3 position. Google loves videos and can post them on Google as a carousel of 3-4 videos at the top of the page. Number 6, YouTube mastery. We have a whole course on YouTube strategies and secrets on how to rank in position on or 3 on YouTube and Google's new free ad system. YouTube targets the keyword phrase on what people are searching. With YouTube, people are searching for something they are interested in possibly buying. Target search audience or custom intent. Number 7, email and texting marketing. The number 1 marketing tool is emails. Emails get open about 20% to 30%, and the cost to do email is cheap. Texting is also great because people get a text on a phone that they are holding in their hand. The open rate is about 90%. Okay, here's the bonus I promised you at the start of this video. The traffic X conversion formula. Example, 100 visitors a day. Convert 1% of them to buyers, 1 sale a day. Increase your traffic by 50% to 150 visitors a day. Increase your conversions by 50% to 1.5%. Sales increase to an average of 225 sales a day. An increase of 125%. Some of this marketing information I learned from Chris Cardell. He is very successful and has over 50 tech people helping business owners across the world. To work directly with Chris, he charges about $5,000 per month. It's a great deal if you can afford it. Check out the next video coming shortly to tie up some very important marketing tips. Please hit the subscription button for more marketing tips. Go to www.secretsofsuccesses.com for some free bonuses.